was an idea. Something more. So when they needed us, we could fight the battles.
Hey, I was just calling to say that it had nothing to do with you. You didn't change. It was me. I changed. There was nothing you could have done to make me stay. There was nobody else. I left for myself. But anyway, I was just calling to say that I hope you're okay.
But I do know one thing, no. Women, they come, they go.
Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo.
Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow.
Till then, just sit your drunk ass on that empty runway. Oh.
Come in Appledore and she knee-high by the 4th of July? Hey, you ever see any crop circles out there? Hey, when you're driving by a field of cows, how hard is it to not just pull over and rope one of them right there?
Fuck you, Shorzy.